After installing Elementor Pro, we are going to build what we call an identity system. And this time round, I'm going to teach you how to design a website like a complete professional. Now, I've included um, file in the logos folder, which it basically has the logo for Devin, which is the normal on white, on black, on orange, the logo of Avicon, and the colors and the typography. So, first things first, what you're going to do, you're going actually to go to pages. There's usually, after you've done the wizard, Element actually just automatically starts configuring the first page, which lands you in. So we can edit this and call it home, and actually put the slug as home, or we can leave it blank. Immediately, actually, we update it, it will save itself as home. It will take the slug of that. So what is a slug? A slug is basically what goes after the website. Let's say I have brightconsulting.com. Okay. So this is the main URL. A slug is basically something like blog. So the word blog is a slug. Okay. The continuation of the URL, that is. So we will now open this homepage, and we are going to build what we call an identity system, which is very, very important in Elementor. So this will actually cut your work by 70%. 70, yes, I mean it, because it simply means that you're using a reusable system that you've developed for yourself, which you can always import and export in other websites. Okay. So the first things first, what we're going to do, we're going to go to site settings. Okay. This is how we're going to build our identity systems. And you're going to go to site identity. The site identity, we have the site name and description. So what we are going to do, we are going to upload our site logo. We're going to put our site description, which is usually the slogan, sometimes, or the purpose. That depending what your client will tell you. We have the site logo and the site favicon. So the description. Let us put something like building your digital future. Yeah. For the site logo, let us select files from our folder. Okay, we have our logo folder here. Let us just select every single thing except the PDF, such that we are done with all our logos. So this is the main logo, okay, on white. That is what you usually select. And for places where your background is black, you can always use the other dimensions. So for the logo favicon, just to be 512 by 512. Yes, so that you have something like this. Okay, right now we don't have. This is the portfolio that we are building. So, and I will say save changes. Actually, let me just close it. So right now we already have our description and our site name. Next, we are going to go to what we call layout. Okay. This is my own identity system that I've built, and this is the layout I use for my websites. I go to percentages. On desktop, I put this as 75. I remove all container padding. I put it at 0. I leave that as default like that. Okay. So default page layout, I usually put it to Elementor full width. Okay. So I go to my tablet portrait like that. And in my tablet portrait, what I put my container width as percentage, and I put it at 85. And I also put container padding of 0. And then I also go to my mobile, and I do the same. I put it at 85, and I put my container padding to 0. And that's how I add my logo and I do my site identity and layout.